right, so really quick, I'm going to show you guys how I package my cake toppers. I just finished taking a photo of this one. I'll show that later this week. Trying something different with my photos. I don't normally use this kind of background, but we'll see. We'll see what that looks like later. So anywho, when I package my stuff, I use this 8.5 by 11 chipboard. I get this in a pack off of Amazon. I want to say there was a pack of 100. And then I also use these hard envelopes that I also get off of Amazon. This is Valbox brand. I think these come in a pack of 25. And I use these clear 8.5 by 11, or maybe these are 9 by 11 plastic sheets. You can use these for shirts. I just use these for the cake toppers because so this is just a tag and share. Put that there. I take the order along with business card. I have a new business card. This is my new one, so I'm trying to get rid of the old ones. I'm going to have a new one after this soon because I'm getting a website made. But that's a whole different story. So I'll put this here and this there. Cover this person's name. And I'm just going to say thank you so much. I like to have a little note there. I don't know if it matters to everybody else or if it even matters to people that buy things from me, but I like having that. And then I just close this. So this is like my waterproof situation here. Put this in here. And because it has that extra room, even though I went off a little bit on the end of the chipboard, I still had room. And then just fold this over. I put a fragile sticker here. I buy this roll of stickers off of Amazon. Thank you for supporting my small business. That's what that looks like. And then on this side, put another one. And then I also like to put my logo sticker here. These are also printed from my thermal printer, so I don't feel bad about using a lot of these because they cost me no ink. No ink at all. If you don't have a thermal printer, what you doing? What you doing? You can get cheap ones off of Amazon. You don't have to get fancy ones. And then I'm just going to put her label here. And that's it. Super easy.